Welcome to AI Tool Time. Welcome to AI Tool Time. Rick McCawley's here, your AI guide on the side, showing tools that'll make your imagination come alive. From perplexities, deep research to ChatGPT's mic, creating wonders with text prompts, bringing dreams to life. It's AI Tool Time. AI Tool Time. With the AI guide. With the AI guide. Your guide to making magic come true. If you can dream it, just say it. 3 wishes from the tech genie, and watch what these tools can do. From images to videos, we've got it all. Mid-Journey daily, ideogram standing tall. Soaring runway, Gen making movies flow. 11 labs giving voices, making characters grow. You got Spielberg in your pocket, magic box in your hand. Type a prompt, watch it happen. AI helps you expand. Gemini's thinking, co-pilots assisting. Suno composing songs that get you listening. Luma and Flux bringing motion to life. All these tools cutting through creative strife. It's AI Tool Time. With the AI guide. Your guide to making magic come true. If you can dream it, just say it. 3 wishes from the tech genie, and watch what these tools can do. 30 minutes to master, tools to explore. Let your imagination soar like never before. AI Tool Time with Rick McCawley, where your digital dreams come true. 30 minutes to master, tools to explore. Let your imagination soar like never before. AI Tool Time with Rick McCawley, where your digital dreams come true. Yeah, AI Tool Time. AI Tool Time.